renovate scores. Here we go. Darren Palmer, Harry and Tash.
We know there's a fault here, we know it.
It is a costly
It would-
mistake, yeah.
It will be.
It's a screw-up.
Sarah and George.
It's that sweeping ceiling, that massive wall, this gorgeous rake.
Daniel and Jade.
It would be lovely to have a win. We haven't had one yet. We seem to be second or last.
The bathroom feels like everything is at odds to each other.
Luke and Jasmine.
So whimsical and playful and cute and gorgeous, and I love the tropical feel.
Is that a 10?
Jimmy and Tam.
I think we
That's what
could
we're here for.
take away the win. Our finishes in those rooms were amazing.
High scores.
I'm actually in shock. Pumped. Absolutely pumped.
Shayna Blaze. Yeah, Harry and Tash.
This is where you go, oh my God, I feel sick.
Sarah and George.
Way too many cushions and way too many pillows, and it works, and I love it.
Daniel and Jade.
I've got to say the styling in both of these bedrooms makes it.
Still good scores.
Luke and Jasmine.
I'm jealous of the kids that would use this bathroom.
A 10? Hooly dooly.
Jimmy and Tam.
Gee willikers.
How incredible is that roof? That is, to me, the most stunning thing.
Oh my God.
I'll see you in a minute. It's going to be tight. Okay, Neil Whittaker.
Good luck, guys. Neil, he didn't like our flowers, Josh.
Harry and Tash.
Feels glad to be back.
Yeah.
That's what I'm reading into this room.
Sarah and George.
It's quite a breathtaking room, actually.
Yes.
And that's not a word I often use about a guest bedroom.
Daniel and Jade.
The main was spectacular, the dessert not quite so good.
Luke and Jasmine.
And I can imagine how excited any kid is going to be on open for inspection when they come in here.
Jimmy and Tam.
5 or 6 weeks in isolation equals extreme creativity.
Okay. The winner of week 5 on the block 2020 and driving out of here with $10,000 from Ford is, with a perfect score, 30 out of 30, Luke and Jasmine. Wow. Congratulations, Luke and Jasmine, 30 out of 30.
After the week we had, Scotty.
I know.
That's a miracle.
We won!
You guys are on a roll because you took out the win last week, but you had to share it with Jimmy and Tam, and from what I'm hearing on the grapevine, there might be a little bit of that going on as well, is there?
There is.
What is it?
There is.
Jimmy and Tam last night come and gave us a hand for like 4 hours last night just to get us across the line.
And we thought we'd like to give them, what do you reckon?
Couple grand.
$2 grand?
Yeah.
Yep, so 8 in our account and 2 in theirs, please.
Roger that. When are you people going to learn this is a competition? Hey? Well, a tremendous win for Luke and Jazz with a perfect score. Very closely followed by Sarah and George and Jimmy and Tam, both on 29 points. In third place are Daniel and Jade on 25.5 points. And a structural fork put Harry and Tash last on 23.5 points. So at the end of week 5, Jimmy and Tam are still on top of the Superpower leaderboard. Remember, the team with the most points at season's end wins control of the auction order.